Hey kids, it's Amelia and Charlotte's mom, Miss Jess, and I would like to read for you today a great little book called The Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold wind howls and the night sound growls, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse pitter-patter tiptoe creep crawls in the cave from the fluff cold snow. Mouth squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pip-pop and the bear wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps, but the bear snores on. A badger scuttles by, sniff sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I've brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in." They nibble and they munch with a chew, chomp, crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, and a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night, what a storm," twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, the slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire, Mouse seasons the stew, then a small paper flake makes the bear chew. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up, and he gnarls and snares and roars and rumbles and jumps and stomps and growls and grumbles. "You've snuck in my lair and you've had all this fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." He whimpers and he moans, and he wails and he groans and he blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see, we can pop more corn, we can brew more tea." Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight, then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up, a crisp, clear dawn, the bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.